Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Trade with Precision free newsletter. You are speaking with Hao. Today I'm going to look at GBPUSD and GBPJPY, these two pound pairs, showing you my analysis and showing you my potential trade plans around these two pairs. So first, we are looking at the daily chart on GBPUSD. So definitely this is still in an uptrend, but why I picked this chart up is because the price seems like it pulled back a little bit too far away, because the price has gone beyond this 10 and 20 moving average buy zone. So which tells me, yes, especially yesterday's price action tells me a much further pullback is due. So which converts into a weekly chart will be a potential weekly chart pullback. So we can see why the price start to reverse to south, because of this major support resistance line somewhere around here. So this is the third week in a row the price is pulling back. So where might be the pullback level to? I should say somewhere around here. This is some before the crackdown, the resistance and then resistance again, and also price chopping around for a lot of time around here, which is somewhere around 1.30. This is around psychological level to 1.31. So the price is trading around 1.3270. So potentially, in my opinion, some further, say 170 pips window to the downside, potential window to the downside. So that's why I'm keen to look for a short trade instead of a long trade on GBPUSD. Because on the lower time frame, the trend is now well established or to the downside. This is the 4-hour chart. We can see a nice fanning downtrend. We can see the moving average are all fanning. So I'm stalking an entry to short the GBPUSD if the price pulls back to this level, somewhere around 1.3350, somewhere around here. This is the old support level. Then if it pulls back, it should be acting as a strong resistance. So waiting for a small bearish candle somewhere around here inside this moving average sell zone, then there may be a potential shorting opportunities around there, because there are multiple technical factors pointing the price may turn around from here. Also, if I draw a Fibonacci line from this high to the low, and we can see this level is also inside the 50 and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So this is a really good area to look for a short trade. So this is the first one, GBPUSD. Then next one I'm going to look at is GBP Yen. Pound Yen looks quite similar to GBPUSD, but in a more defined way, in my opinion, because the early change of trend already happening on the daily. Lower high and lower low. Now the price is back down 150 level. This major psychological level. Now the price trading below it, then a much further pullback is due, in my opinion. So next potential support level I can see on the daily is somewhere around 148. So potentially 130 pips window to the short side as well. So on the lower time frame, so similarly, 4-hour chart, this is quite a strong bearish momentum right now, with trend is confirming to the downside with fanning moving average. This is all confirm a strong selling momentum. So the level I'm stalking for an entry, of course, is going to be based on the 150, this big psychological level. So probably not from the 4-hour chart, maybe from the 1-hour chart or 2-hour chart. Let me use the 1-hour chart first. So 150 is around here. This is the major support level. Now is if the price testing from the bottom side, this should be acting as a strong resistance. Then this is also inside the 1-hour chart moving average buy zone as well. So if the price confirms resistance, then this may be a good potential shorting opportunities will arise from there. So that's why I'm keeping a close eye on 150 on GBP Yen to see if I can get any short trade setup, and aiming for 148. So that's my plan for GBPJPY and GBPUSD. Hope that helps you, everyone.